Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So look what I got for Christmas. It's a futon. And if you watch me, whether you watch me or not, I'm here to tell you that I have been neglecting decorating my office. I haven't even been out here in my office. I just have been unmotivated, undriven, all the negative words you can think of that are the opposite of productivity. Like, I'm just not being productive when it comes to my little side business. So yeah, my parents got me this memory foam futon for Christmas, and it is mainstays. It came from Walmart. So what I'm gonna be doing today is, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna try to put it together, put the legs on and everything, whatever assembly it needs, and then I'll tell y'all how it feels and if I feel like it's a good buy or not. And I need to go look at how much they paid for it, even though it was a gift. And I want to see, is this worth what they paid for? So stay tuned. Attention, hardware attached to end of ribbon. So to the end of this ribbon is the hardware I need to assemble. I'm just gonna cut this because it is attached to the box. It's also attached to the futon. And I'm trying to get this sucker out of here. Alright. So this is one side. Oh Lord. Yeah, this is one side. And this is the other. I might want to say this. And so, if I lift this one up, there is this little zipper right here on the bottom. And then you open it and it has the legs and stuff. Whew. Jesus, this is a minute. Got a little bow. Back to the little bow. Whew, Jesus, that's it. I'm tired. Get this stuff out of my way. So according to the manual, you should have 2 body parts, 4 of these slanted legs, 2 straight legs, and then 4 of these big ones, 8 of these small screws, and then the little Allen wrench. So I have everything. So I do recommend making sure you got all the parts first, because it's nothing like putting together something and having to stop like, dang, I don't have all the parts. So I made sure I have all the parts. Now I'm ready to get busy. Let's put this thing together. All right, so I flipped the couch parts, cushion side down. Some people are like visual learners. I am. And sometimes the pictures really just don't do it justice. It can be a little confusion. Confusion. Both. Same difference. But yeah. So what you'll do is you get your hex key. After you flip your cushion side down, you push them together so that these 2 holes right here in the middle are side by side. I have both of my flat legs, and I have a hex key, and I have all 4 of the big screws because I'm going to do the middle legs first. So basically you just line the holes in the leg up with the holes on the couch. So you might have to, you know, move it apart or just a tad. Just a tad. And I'm gonna drop one in. See what I can screw by hand first. Cause, you know, why not? And you just stick the little key in like that and tighten it up. Now don't judge me if I'm not using the little Allen wrench correctly. I don't use tools on. That's pretty tight. After you got that one, you want to line the other hole in properly, and now you're gonna screw that. I did it by hand first, so I do it by hand to as far down as I can. Screw it, take it out, screw it, take it out, screw it, take it out until it gets tight enough for my liking. That's not going nowhere. Now I'm gonna repeat the step right here. Just take it. I don't want to sit on the back. Try not to sit on the actual couch. Try to, you know, I got a habit of sitting on stuff. So don't sit on the actual couch because you can ruin it. I guess is the word I want to say. You can damage it. Yeah. So yeah, mesh the holes up. Drop your first screw. Tighten it with my hand as much as I can. Stick the key in, tighten. Am I going the wrong way? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Tight. Now even though I'm turning to the left, the screw is turning to the right, so righty tighty. Match this hole up, screw it down. My husband, if you hear background noise, my husband is outside putting up a basketball goal. And you know, some people be like, well, why you don't let your husband do it? Because I can do it. Damn. I mean, let me not cuss on. I don't want to cuss on my YouTube. Why you don't get your husband to put it together? Because I can do it. It's not rocket science. Hey. Sometimes it's okay to do stuff yourself, ladies. And you know, if you don't want to, that's your prerogative. By no means am I saying do everything by yourself all the time. But you can, basically. Alright, so that's nice and sturdy. Right there. So I got my middle legs in. Now it's time for my side legs. And so the legs that's on this side, over here, you're going to put on like this. So it's pointing outwards. And another reason why I didn't get my husband to help me do anything is because my husband will put it together the way he wants to put it together. So this leg is sturdy without both of the screws, and he won't put the screws in. He won't. If he can get away with putting one screw in as opposed to two, he will.
So I'm just gonna finish
doing this, and then I come back when I'm ready to flip it over. Alright, so once you have, screwed all of your legs to the couch, I do recommend just going around just for a quality check and making sure they're all sturdy. Now we're going to flip the couch. All you have to do to turn it into a couch is push the back like so. And if you want to, put it back down, you just push it all the way down and then to the back. But yeah, it's gonna be like this for me. And I am gonna put it as close to the wall as I can. So this is what it looks like without the arms folded up. And to fold the arms up, you just do this and this. So yeah, now it looks like a cute little couch. Alright, so this is what the couch looks like. The way that I'm gonna have it, with the back up and the arms up. As you know, you can lay all that down and it's like a little mini bed, like a little cot. Overall, I do like it. It is comfortable. It's not the most comfortable, but it's definitely not uncomfortable. So, let me sit in it. Sit on that. Let me sit on that. Because, you can feel the cushion, but you can feel this little platform up under it. So, 1 being the most uncomfortable, 5 being like super amazingly comfortable. I give this a 3, somewhere in the middle. It's not uncomfortable at all, but I can feel that the little platform under it. Would I have bought this with my own money? Yes, for sure. I was going to buy it. She asked me what I wanted for Christmas. My mama asked me what I wanted for Christmas, and I just sent her a bunch of stuff that I planned on buying anyway. This is a good, couch. It's a futon, but I'm going to call it a couch because it's a couch to me. This is a great couch for small spaces. So, I don't have that much space, and this fits right where I need it to fit. So I love that it's not a big old couch taking up a lot of space. And what else can I say about it? I plan on laying on this couch when I get tired of looking at my computer. When I want to take a little break, I want to do a little brainstorming. I want to just, get a little peace and quiet. This is going to be where I sit, where I lay, all that good stuff. That's all from me today. So I did unbox, assemble, and give y'all my thoughts on this couch. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share,